The Visa All Access Experience, developed by Aircards in partnership with 160over90 to promote the Visa sponsorship of the World Cup. The Visa All Access platform is one of the biggest online stadium tour experiences ever built. It includes full 360-degree virtual tours of all 8 World Cup stadiums. The experience begins with a flyover of the interactive 3D map. Users can tap on their stadium of choice to virtually transport inside the stadium to take a full virtual tour. The tours include multiple behind-the-scenes areas to access and unlock exclusive content around iconic areas such as stadium center circles, VIP areas, players' locker rooms, post-match spa areas, among many others.